I'm Nick with Team Z Motorsports. I'm here to introduce you to a new box body lower torque box that we're making, part of the Weld series. First off, we have double wood plates. You need to bolt those up and re-weld and pre-weld them on before you assemble this, or else it'll be very difficult for you to weld it. So now I'm going to show you how to assemble the box. I like to do this one first. Tab and slot, just like that. This one works pretty good going second. Just like that. Now I take this and I put that on because it helps hold everything together since I've only got two hands. Now I roll it over. Take the back piece, slide that in, just like that. Now we can take the other piece and that's all assembled. We have this little piece, that's what's going to go up against your frame rail. It just goes in there. It doesn't like to sit by itself, so you're going to have to hold it when you tack it. So this is how you assemble it. Now over here we have a pre-assembled and pre-welded one. So once you get all the corners tacked together on this one, you're going to pull the top off, you're going to weld the inside of it, and then you put the top back on. So it goes on pretty stiff once you have it pre-welded. So just stitch weld the inside like so. You can go ahead and weld the tabs that are poking out. And as you can see, these are the orientation of the doubler plates that you want for the product when you pre-weld them on. And there you have it. That is the Weld Mustang Fox Body torque box.